Imagine staring into the abyss of space, where gravity is so strong that not even light can escape. That's the terrifying beauty of a black hole. And now, thanks to NASA's latest visualizations, we can see exactly how these cosmic monsters warp the very fabric of reality around them. In a groundbreaking new release, NASA has unveiled stunning simulations that show how black holes distort light in ways we've never seen before. If you thought the first image of a black hole was mind-blowing, wait until you see this. Today, we're diving deep into these new visualizations, breaking down exactly how gravity bends light, what these simulations tell us about black holes, and why this matters for astrophysics. Stick around because this is one cosmic ride you don't want to miss. So, what makes these new visualizations so special? Unlike previous models, NASA's latest simulations use ultra-high-resolution calculations to show how light behaves near a black hole's event horizon, the point of no return. One of the most jaw-dropping revelations is how the accretion disk, the swirling ring of superheated gas around a black hole, appears distorted from different angles. From the side, it looks like a thin, glowing ring. But if you view it from above or below, gravity bends the light so much that you see multiple reflections, creating an almost halo effect. This isn't just CGI, it's based on real physics equations from Einstein's theory of general relativity. The simulations account for the Doppler effect, which changes light's color based on motion, and gravitational lensing, where light bends around massive objects. Okay, let's break this down. How exactly does gravity twist light like this? It all comes down to Einstein's theory of general relativity, which says that massive objects like black holes curve space-time itself. Think of space-time like a trampoline. If you place a heavy ball in the center, it creates a dip. Now, if you roll smaller balls near it, they'll spiral inward. A black hole is like an infinitely deep pit in that trampoline, so deep that even light, which normally travels in straight lines, gets pulled into curved paths. This is called gravitational lensing, and it's why we see multiple distorted images of the accretion disk. Some photons, light particles, loop around the black hole once, twice, or even multiple times before escaping to our virtual camera. That's why the disk appears to wrap around the black hole's shadow. Now, you might be wondering why go through all this effort to simulate black holes. Well, these visualizations aren't just for show. They help scientists test theories about black hole behavior and prepare for future observations. Remember the first real image of a black hole from the Event Horizon Telescope in 2019? These simulations help researchers interpret what they're seeing in actual telescope data. By comparing real observations with these models, they can fine-tune their understanding of black hole physics. Plus, studying these extreme environments teaches us about galaxy formation, the nature of dark matter, and even the fundamental laws of the universe. Who knows, maybe one day, this research will help us unlock the secrets of wormholes or time travel. So there you have it, NASA's latest black hole visualizations give us an unprecedented look at how gravity twists light into mind-bending illusions. It's a reminder of just how strange and awe-inspiring our universe really is. What do you think? Did these simulations blow your mind as much as they did mine? Let me know in the comments below. And if you love space content like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest cosmic discoveries. Thanks for watching, and remember, keep looking up.